Do you ever feel like the grandkids were born knowing how to make money online while you were still figuring out which button does what? I get it. I've been there. But here's the truth. Technology didn't pass us by. We just needed someone to show us that the internet isn't just for kids and cat videos anymore. It's a place where real people, folks like Bob, are earning real money doing simple things from home. And today I want to show you how Bob made his first $100 online without selling a product, without a big audience, and without fancy tech skills. Stick with me. This could change the way you see your retirement years. If you're watching this, you might be a lot like Bob, retired or close to it, looking for a way to bring in a little extra money, not because you want to buy a yacht, but because you want a peace of mind. You want to travel without guilt, pay a few bills without worry, help family. Maybe you just have lunch with friends without checking your balance first. Bob felt that way too. He wasn't broke, but he was uneasy. He said to me once, "I just don't like to run out before I'm done." That's when he found something that changed everything. Not just his income, but his confidence. Bob was 68, retired from 40 years in construction. His knees hurt, his hands were scarred, but his work ethic, solid gold. He never built a website, never made a video, and thought a funnel was something for oil changes. But he was curious. He'd heard me talk about simple online tools, how anyone could share helpful products and earn affiliate income. And one day, instead of scrolling past another video, he clicked. That single click was the first step towards his first $100 online. He found something simple he could believe in. Bob didn't want a complicated business. He wanted something real, something he could understand. So he started with affiliate marketing, recommending tools he actually used and trusted. That's all it is. You share what helps you, and when someone signs up through your link, the company rewards you for it. Bob began with the Let's Go app, a simple $10 tool to plan his day. He loved it, shared it, and a few friends joined. Before long, $10 became $20, and then that magical email, "You've earned $100." He didn't convince anyone, he just shared what worked. He wasn't selling, he was serving. Each of you use whatever gift you have received to serve others. 1 Peter 4:10. When Bob talked about the tools he used, he wasn't chasing commissions, he just told stories. What worked for him, what didn't, what made life easier. He'd post things like, "Hey friends, I found an app that keeps me on track. Message me if you want the link." Simple, honest, real. People trust people, not ads. When they saw Bob, a 68-year-old grandpa, using tech and smiling about it, they thought, if he can do it, I can do it too. That's what makes affiliate income powerful. It's built on trust and Bob's story. Because proof that age is not a barrier, it's an advantage. Let your light shine before others, Matthew 5:16. He stayed consistent with a simple plan. Bob didn't stop after one win. He decided to learn how to grow. He joined the Home Business Academy, and suddenly he wasn't alone. He had a roadmap, people cheering him on, and tools that worked. He learned that success online isn't about working harder, it's about working wiser. Each morning, he'd log into Let's Go, review his habits, and take one small step. Some days he'd post, some days he'd learn, some days he'd rest and pray. That rhythm, that consistency is what turned one small win into a lifestyle. The plans of the diligent lead to the profit, Proverbs 21:5. Faith and focus moment. I asked Bob what the biggest change was, and he said, "I've stopped saying I can't and started saying, I'll try, and God did the rest. Success isn't just about money. It's about rediscovering your worth, your purpose, your place in this digital world. It's realizing that the same faith that carried you through life can guide you into this new season, where your experience, your wisdom, your stories still matter. Now, if Bob can do it at 68 with no tech background and 0 followers, you can too. Your first $100 may be closer than you think, and your story might inspire someone else to begin. Go to williamfeaver.com/CAIO. There, you'll find a free guide that walks you step by step through this same process. Purpose and prosperity after 65. It's simple, clear, and made for people like us, people who believe the best years aren't behind us. So take that first step today, because freedom doesn't start with a paycheck. It starts with a decision. Faith, purpose, income.